check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, I'm going to open 3 jumbo packs of 1988 Donruss. Let's see what kind of buried treasures I'll find. In the first one, it was 99 cents during that time. I think it's like the same price. It's during the junk wax era. So, first one. And here's the front. Here's the big. Don't know that guy. RJ. This guy's managed Arizona Diamondbacks. He said really dumb things during his broadcast. Racial stupid things. Don't see stupid things. There goes. Random. Got rookie card. Mark Williams. Jeff King. Second year card. Roger Clemens. This is like a little off center card. Well, it's good to have this card. Come on in. Mickey Hatcher. Mostly part with the Dodgers. Dead Cooking Pizza. Those two. One of the bad boys. The Reds. Nasty boys. Nasty boys. This guy's mostly Pirates. Jeff being a guy. And this guy, Mike, mostly with the Giants. Lost Houston. Tim Simmons, I think he became a Hall of Famer. Tommy John's got Tommy John surgery. We'll know about surgery than his playing career. He played 20 years or more. Rookie guy. Pussy Ridge. Jack the Ripper. Kidman. At least I was going to be hot during his time. Everybody thought he was going to be a hot player. Mike Stewart. Terry McGriff. Rookie card. No Ray rookie, so Mark Davis. I remember him doing the World Series. Chili Davis, one of the coolest names ever. Or repeat. Then repeat again. Kind of makes me worry when we get repeats. And Davis, Darren Hedge. Paul Neal. They're gonna retire his number for the Yankees. He's Mark Davis kicking the ball. Right field, the first baseman. Second pack. Ooh, the Cat, Hall of Famer. Mark Davis. He thought he'd be hot. He went to Dodgers. He's going to be hot, but wasn't there. But he was there when Kirk Gibson hit that home run. Get us air conditioning. When they were Giants. Big Rosen, hothead guy. Ricky Henderson. Oh, this is the second time I packed with Ricky Henderson. And yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Mark Davis, he was still on bag when Kirk Gibson hit the home run. The 89 World Series. Wasn't an Ace fan. This guy was a decent player during his time. Catcher. Was he with the catcher? Later on to the Tigers. His son is an excellent player right now. He's your George Brett, Hall of Famer. Never heard this player, Jeff Treyway. Rated rookie card. This guy played until he's like 80 years old. He was a knuckleball player. There we go. Got a decent pitcher during his time. Kurt Young. Where is Oral Hosizer. That was the year he broke some records in '89. Dave was a Giants pitching coach. Helped him with the World Series. This guy at least stocking seats many times. I think he's stalking me. More like Jeff Reed. Mike Wood. Made a different Wood. Yeah. Great Matthews. Don Murphy. Last one in this pack. Next one. Got a Diamond King in the back. These things want to play games. Why do you want to play games with me? Oh god, this thing's really in there. Repeat again. Mark Davis. Oh my god, this kind of sucks. This is like repeat. Almost repeat. Yeah, it's like almost repeat. Jack the Ripper again. When Davis, he's dissing. Player. Oh, cards. Gritty. No, Ryan. Woo! Ricky Hardjeff, huh? Robert Howell. He was pretty famous with the Giants, second year card. Tim. Gary Cabot, I mean. Willie Joyner, and these go to Wally Rowe. But Giants, they thought he'd be hot. Steve Howell, he got a little problem, the cocaine problem. Frank Tinian, he's played for years. You guys should be a Hall of Famer, second year card Hall of Famer, in my opinion. He has like over 4 home runs. You got a relief pitcher. Right next, Danny Dysland. Mark Lynn. Steve Lake. Paul Laird. John Davis. Oh, Camp Boy, one of the coolest nicknames in baseball. The last one, Hall of Famer. King. So, that's for like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching.